What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Crypto For You. My name's Tony, and today I'm looking at Ethereum. Look at this. Ethereum has broken through a bunch of support, and the question is, are we failing our bull market? I want to talk to you guys about that and Bitcoin, how they are correlated together, and what do I think they can both do in the near future. I want to talk about all that and more in this video, so let's get straight into the charts. Don't forget to leave a like down below, subscribe, and watch till the end because it's a very interesting video. So look at this Ethereum. It is in fact broken through the daily EMA ribbon, a huge support area that we failed to confirm support on. We tried to confirm support, and if we had confirmed support, then we could have actually broken above this yellow line, the top of this own Ethereum channel, and most likely have broken through to the all-time high, or at least to the next huge resistance line at about $4,200. But since we failed it, could we actually be re-entering the bear market? Well, that is the huge question. If you go on the weekly time frame, we look at the weekly EMA ribbon, you guys can see that we, even though we're falling inside of it, are still above it. And if we right now stop falling and start to go up, we will in fact confirm support on the weekly EMA ribbon. That is the best thing to happen to Ethereum, because if we confirm support on this weekly EMA ribbon, that would mean that we are officially inside of a bull market, and bull markets can take us very, very high. We could even reach the all-time high of Ethereum and beyond. Not only that, but if we go back on the daily time frame and I turn on these moving averages, you guys can see the 220-day moving averages have already been broken. We have actually confirmed resistance on the 200 and could not confirm support on the 20, which is why we already fell down to the 50 and the 100-day moving averages, the blue and the green lines. If we break these moving averages, we will break through all of the daily moving averages, which is very, very bad, because if we break through these moving averages, the next moving averages that we're going to have to break and confirm support on is the weekly moving averages. As you guys can see, the weekly moving averages, the nearest one is this green line, which is all the way at $2,000, meaning if we right now break below these two moving averages, the next huge moving average that can save us is all the way at $2,000. Not only that, but you guys see this yellow line and this bottom green line. This shows that we are inside of a channel, and just like Bitcoin, which is about to break its channel, if Ethereum breaks below its channel, it will in fact fall down to about 2,100 or something like that. That is why it's important for us to not break this channel, and if we break through this weekly EMA ribbon, we will fail our bull market and we could actually fall down to $2,000. But how likely is that? That is the question. Well, if I turn on our RSI, stochastic RSI, as you guys can see, the RSI was recently very low. It actually was below this dotted line. It came down to 37, and that is huge because that means that the market was oversold. But recently it actually has broken back inside of this dotted line box, and that is actually when the action starts going, because as long as we are below it, that's basically Bitcoin is about to explode, and as soon as the RSI comes back above this line, it means that Ethereum is officially starting to make a move. And this indicator works for everything, which is why it's so important. So look at this. As you guys can see, Ethereum has broken above with its RSI above this 45-point level, above this dashed line, which is why we actually have pumped this much, and we are not stopping there. I believe that because Ethereum's RSI actually has broken above this level, I believe Ethereum could in fact be going all the way to the top. And unless we break back below this weekly EMA ribbon and confirm resistance, I believe that will be exactly what's happening. But remember, Ethereum is right now still correlated to Bitcoin, and since Bitcoin is a very tight situation and is about to fall down, if it does break this green line, Ethereum could also be falling down. It could fall below its weekly moving average. That is why it's important for Bitcoin to right now confirm support and to pump up. And as you guys can see, Bitcoin is starting to look like it's about to confirm support. It is holding its support, and it is not letting itself fall down. But is that enough? Will Bitcoin right now confirm support? Well, as you guys can see, the RSI for Bitcoin is also very low on the daily time frame. That means that some kind of big move to the upside is about to happen, and all that the RSI has to do is go above 45, and that will mean that Bitcoin is going to start pumping up. Not only that, but something even better, the RSI in the weekly time frame is also below 45 right now. That is very, very bullish, because that means that the market is oversold on the weekly time frame. That means that we should stop dumping soon and pump up. And look at where we are right now. If we start pumping up, that'll mean that we confirm support on the bottom of this channel, and that will save us from falling down to $30,000. And that will mean that Ethereum and Bitcoin will both pump up and break above their weekly EMA ribbons and pump to the next huge resistance line. For Bitcoin, that would be 53,000, and for Ethereum, that would be about $2,000 or $3,000. That will be very bullish for Ethereum and for Bitcoin and for the whole entire crypto space. All we gotta watch for Bitcoin right now is to make sure it confirms support on its green line and to make sure Ethereum does not break below its EMA ribbon on the weekly time frame. And if we can do that, then Ethereum will officially be inside of a bull market, and Bitcoin and Ethereum can pump up together to higher prices. So with that being said, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, subscribe if you haven't already, don't forget to click that post notification bell. I'll see you guys next video. Bye!